Warmest greetings to the Philippine Cooperative Center on its 25th General Assembly. We in the local government of Quezon City are one with you as you promote the spirit of cooperativism through this year's theme of forging a new path, building a common cooperative agenda. Cooperatives play an important role in our local economy by allowing more Filipinos access to services that can help build micro-enterprises and create livelihoods. It is likewise one of the Filipinos' primary touchpoints for financial concepts such as saving and investing, as the very framework of cooperatives is to encourage communities and marginalized individuals to pool their resources and collectively engage in economic activities. The advocacy of the PCC aligns with the vision of the city government as we promote true progress through inclusion. The framework of pagmamay-ari at bayanihan provides a platform for communities and individuals to develop their capacity and skills in business, and in the process also helps with job creation. This enables us together to reach more communities and uplift more lives through financial inclusion. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.